it's part ng World War Z. Yung ma-engage kaya ng military sa dagat na yung labanan. Keeping mga allied countries.
I don't think so. I think the moment we have a favorable decision by this arbitral tribunal, then the other countries in the area will have a more legal position, a legally strong position. And the legal position of China will become very untenable. But if there is a dispute, because there is no piece of paper right now that can contest the claim of China, they have map, they have history, they can continue doing that mantra that they have sovereignty over the area. But the moment we have that piece of paper from the arbitral tribunal, then that will demolish their legal claim. And the other countries can now use that. And you know, when you have legal strength, I think that will prevent a conflict, a military conflict. But if there's none, parang ordinaryo sa lupa, di ba? Pag lupa, merong dalawang nag-aaway, ang isa sabi niya, akin yan. Yung isa sabi, no, akin yan. Hindi pumasok ang korte dyan, patayan sila dun. Pero pag may pagkakayway na isang dokumento at sinasabi, oops, ang may-ari niya, ito, party 1, so party 2, out ka na dyan. Then that would prevent the physical conflict. Same with the situation.
Sir, gano'ng katagal yung arbitral case natin sa tatagay?
Ang sabi nila, mga January, baka meron na, or December, or May, but I think Attorney Taton might be in a better position to say.
So actually may timetable na ginawa ang arbitral tribunal. But for